Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 27th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So guys, look at this. Tesla is up $17.63. That's 11% in one day. 11% in one day. Closed at 177.90. Post-market, we seem to be up by 10 cents, an additional 10 cents at 178. Let's look at this beauty. This is just beautiful. This is just beautiful. Because of the earnings call, that was pretty good. We jumped like crazy yesterday. We had a big gap up yesterday. But then if we look at yesterday's candle, we see that it was a nice candle. It was higher. We had a gap, blah, blah, blah. But it was a little bit of an undecided candle. But today, I think things sunk in. People understood. And look at this now. Big green candle. Look at the volume that we had today for Tesla, 306 million. On average, it's been 192 million. And not too long ago, we had an average of 90 million shares exchanged. So look at the volume a little bit. The volume kept going higher and higher. So there was this accumulation effect. And I don't think that there are as many sellers now because now this is launching like crazy. This is launching like Tesla can do. This Tesla stock can launch. When it launches, it launches. So it is great to be in when this happens. And technical analysis cannot tell us if something is going to launch a lot or just move a little bit. We don't know that. But we know that there's a buy signal that we had on January 23rd. So that was not too bad. Now we closed at that point at 140. Yes, it's not the ultimate low that was maybe at 103. But if you buy at a low, you are making a guess. But if you are letting the stock stabilizes and do a resistance and a support, congestion zone, and then it breaks this, then this is not a guess. This is a change in pattern. The pattern is the congestion, and a break in the upward resistance is a change in pattern. And investing there is a lot safer because the stock has already started to move in the right direction instead of just merely going down and hitting a number that you pluck out of your hat. Well, $100 is going to be the low. Who knows? Nobody knows. This is just a different way of investing. It's a safer way of investing and trading. And this is what happens when we do this. So fantastic day with Tesla. And now we are climbing into the horizontal resistance that we had in the past. We closed above 176.73. So 176.73 is a resistance that was used last November of last year. And we closed just above it a little bit. So this is fantastic. And yesterday also I mentioned that our very tight bullish channel was going to be broken at some point. And this is what we have here. So this was the steepness of Tesla. And now Tesla thinks that this is not fast enough. We are climbing even faster now. So fantastic. This is just great. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, this is the first candle of the day. So look at this here. So we closed, what is this? We stopped at the resistance at 160 yesterday. And if we look at this, this is a small congestion zone and a break outside of it was a buy signal. You could have bought during the first hour. So after the first hour, let's say, you could have bought because this was another little buy signal on the 1 hour chart. And then look at what happened. The stock just launched. So fantastic. Stochastic at 93. We have RSI still overbought. Everything is super, super hot. And who knows where it is going to stop. Nobody knows. Let's go back to the daily chart. Nobody knows when this is going to stop. We don't know. Let's just write this. And at some point, it's going to stabilize and make a congestion zone. And then we can decide if it breaks the support of that congestion zone, then we can decide to sell. If it makes a congestion zone and then decides to break the resistance, then we are just going to stay in it until we have another congestion zone and we break support. We should not sell too soon. We should not sell too soon. I've seen many people say when Tesla launched for good in 2020, Tesla went from $40 to $300. And some people were in at that point in here. And after Tesla doubled, they said, oh, doubling is enough. It's already great. So I'm going to take my profit. Never take a profit on a number. Never get into a stock using a number. 175, I think, is low enough for Tesla. No, we don't know and nobody knows. So don't buy based on numbers. 175 is so low. And then if it doubles, then, oh yeah, I'm going to get out because it's doubling. It won't quadruple. It won't triple. Who knows? This is not how we should invest. We invest based on the patterns, and we don't even need those numbers right here. We don't need those numbers. We should spot a change in pattern. When the pattern is a congestion zone and it starts to go up, we should hop in at that point. And then we should get out only when that bullish pattern has stopped and starts to come down. This is when we should stop. And I don't know if Tesla is going to go to $500 in the next 6 months. I don't know. Nobody knows. We need to let our winners ride. Okay. So let me go back to the daily chart. Stochastic at 96, super high. RSI is even overbought on the daily chart. Super strong move. We have the green line of MACD that is above zero. That's great news. And we are going to get the second one in a couple of days. And that will give us our last green thumb up. We have the MI already in. Let's just enjoy this. And congratulations to all of you who got in 5 or 6 days ago into Tesla. So we are rewarded for our patience. Because we had to be patient. We had to be patient because Tesla went down like this, and we had to be patient not to buy into it, especially here with this November 30th fake kind of thing. We had to be patient. The time to buy was right here. There was the uncertainty of the earnings call. That was a little bit bad timing, but all in all, it turned out quite well. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a specific member, in which case we are going to talk on Sunday. I am doing a live every Sunday for my members, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock and also Dow Jones and all of the indices from the weekly chart perspective to get a broader view of how this incredible week impacted the weekly charts. So this is going to be interesting. So join me if you want to. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.